Today we're going to talk about how to find out if a vehicle is still under factory warranty. So to find out if a vehicle is still under factory warranty is actually very simple. The reason why I want to talk about this is because I get a lot of people, how you know is it still under factory warranty? So all you got to do is go to Google. Let's say we're looking at that 2013 Scion FRS. So you go ahead and type 2013 Scion FRS factory warranty on Google or any browser. You click enter and it's gonna come up with the details from the warranty given by the factory. This car is got, obviously all of the cars, they have two different warranties, which is the bumper to bumper or the basic warranty, and also the powertrain. On this specific car, for example, the bumper to bumper warranty is 3 years or 30,000 miles. And the factory warranty is 6 years or 60,000 miles. The bumper to bumper, like the name says, is gonna cover everything on the car if there's any malfunction. And the powertrain obviously is gonna cover what keeps the car running: engine, transmission, and drive axle. Depending on the manufacturer, it may vary a little bit, so that's something that you gotta talk to the dealer, the factory dealer, and find out exactly. But this car is, like I say, it's a 2013 with 51,000 miles. So the bumper to bumper warranty, it's already expired. But because of the miles on the year, it still got powertrain warranty. So if you're looking at buying a car that is not almost like new, it's got some miles, it's really good for you that you know that the car that you're considering, it still has some sort of factory warranty, like a powertrain warranty on this one. So it's just gonna give you peace of mind knowing that, okay, I don't know the dealer, I don't trust the dealer I'm buying it from, or the dealer is very reputable, but it's just gonna give you peace of mind that if something goes wrong with the engine, transmission, on drive axle, you still have the factory backing you up on the car that you're buying because it still has factory warranty. That's something really simple to find out. You can even get the VIN number of the car and get the estimated miles, which is about 51,000 miles, and just call your local Toyota or Scion dealership and ask to speak with the service department and just tell, hey, I'm calling to see if my factory warranty or if my vehicle still has some factory warranty left. They're gonna ask you for the VIN number and the estimated miles, and they're gonna tell you, okay, the warranty is until December next year or the 60,000 miles. So it's pretty simple to do. You gotta start off, type in the year, make, and model and factory warranty on Google. That's gonna give you the standards of the factory warranties, and then you can call your local dealership for the brand and they will type it in their system and find out exactly when the warranty is going to expire. So we hope that this gives you a little bit more information and put you in a better situation and spot of buying a pre-owned car. There are a lot of ways to make sure that you're getting something reliable and something that is going to give you peace of mind. It's going to serve the purpose. We'll see you guys next time. Thank you.